Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. And 1 year ago to the day, on October 13th, 2022, I uploaded a video called Apple Watch Ultra Review from somebody who doesn't go outside. And, well, I sold my Apple Watch Ultra a few months ago and got just the regular Series 8 because I didn't feel like I was using all the, the fancy features of the Ultra. I don't go diving, I don't go hiking that much. Especially when I sold it, I had a broken ankle, so I really wasn't doing anything. I was like, you know what, let me just get a regular one. And I had the Series 8, and the Ultra 2 came out, and I was like, I still don't need this. But I went ahead, and I picked up the Apple Watch Ultra 2 for two main reasons. Because, one, I have a cellular plan on T-Mobile that has a promo on it, and I have to keep the line active for the promo. So if I was going to be using an iPhone long-term and be using an Apple Watch, I wanted a cellular one. So I could have just gotten a Series 8 or Series 9 cellular for, like $100 more. But the Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes with cellular. It's got the bigger screen, it's got the better battery life, and it's got the brighter screen, which isn't all that important for me because, like I said, I don't really go outside that much. I work inside. Everything I do is basically inside. I go outside for, to get from here to there, and that's basically it. I'm not using my Apple Watch for sporting stuff or anything like that because I still have an injured ankle, so I'm not going to be going running, I'm not going to be going hiking, I'm not going to be doing any major outdoor activities. So, stuff like that, I don't really need an Apple Watch Ultra, but I have an Apple Watch Ultra, and that's, like I said, because I like that larger screen, I like the better battery life, all this kind of stuff. I like the watch faces and the widgets that the Apple Watch Ultra offers over some of the ones that are available on the Series 8 and 9, and I like the titanium finish. I like the rugged look of it, and I really like, I know obviously you can get these straps for something like a Series 8 or 9, but I like the fact that it's titanium and it's rugged and it matches my titanium iPhone. Well, it doesn't match it because I have the black titanium iPhone, but it's titanium like my iPhone. I like the fact that it has the action button. I have this tied to the flashlight, which comes in handy more than you might think, especially the fact this is right on your wrist. You just hit the button and you have a little flashlight right there if you're walking. Sometimes I walk from my room to my office at night down the hallway and it's kind of dark, so I will hit that, light it up if I need to go change the thermostat or something. Right there, very easy. You don't have to carry your phone with you, all that kind of stuff. It's just little things that I really enjoy. I can get 2 days battery life out of this easy, whereas with my Apple Watch Ultra, or my Apple Watch Series 8 rather, it was about a day, and I would have to charge it. And I like to use my Apple Watch during sleep for sleep tracking and alarms and that kind of stuff. So being able to get 2 days out of it without having to think about when to charge it to use it overnight is actually a big selling point for me, even if it comes in the form of a larger watch like this. So that's something that I really enjoyed about that, is the battery life. And the bigger screen, I like to actually reply to messages and stuff like that on my Apple Watch with iMessage and that kind of stuff. So being able to do that and just interact with apps and stuff like that a lot easier on the larger screen, especially now that it offers the keyboard and that kind of stuff. It's a lot easier to do on the 49mm over something like a 45mm. It doesn't seem like a huge difference, but when it's the the two screen sizes you have to choose between, the 49 all day long is the best for that. So that is why I use an Apple Watch Ultra, even though I don't use it for hiking or running or out on the trails or underwater or anything like that. It's got that sapphire screen, it's titanium, it's a really rugged watch, and for just day-to-day use, it's overkill, but it's overkill in a good way. So that's why I have an Apple Watch Ultra 2, even though I don't go outside. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.